Hello, I am troubleshooting expert at Amalgam. Are you struggling with sludge bulking in your ETP? Sludge bulking can lead to turbid effluent, high TSS, BOD, and COD levels, MLSS loss. Our solution, MLSS De-Bulking. Here's how it works. Suppresses filamentous growth, improves MLSS settleability, prevents spin flocs and fluffy flocs, promotes healthy floc formation. Where to use it? Ideal for aeration tanks, SBR, MBR, MBBR, or extended aeration systems, especially in plants with changing effluent quality or underloaded conditions. How to apply? Mix 1 kg of BactaServe into 20 liters of feed water. Dose as per the schedule based on wastewater volume and organic load.